What's up everybody, welcome back to Krebsbach Racing. Today we're getting a little nerdy. We're at my buddy's Matt's house. We're doing a little RC racing. So we're gonna show you guys just a little bit of his shop. He's got a few planes hanging around up in the air, 10 or 12 of them. And he's got quite the arsenal of RC cars here. And we're gonna be showing you guys the new BL-2s Slash from Traxxas. And then we're gonna do some back-to-back tests from this and the brushed motor. And then we'll take it out on his track. He's got a pretty sweet track sitting out in the backyard. Alright guys, we have the new BL-2s here. We got it from TM Autosports here in Fargo. They're a new Traxxas dealer. So we're going to open this thing up and see what we all get. Looks like we get the same bag of goodies as always. This does come with a new clipless body. So it's easy on and off, you don't have the little pins anymore. This one has the new ESC, the brushless motor, and it has the clipless body as well. We're going to take them out and we'll do some speed tests with these out on the street, and then we'll take them out into the track and we'll see which ones performs better. We have a timer on the track, we'll see which one goes faster, see if we can get a better time on either or. Both trucks will be on newer tires, so there's no kind of advantages between both of them, and we'll see how it performs. I am driving the brushed in the yellow car on the left, and Matt is driving the new brushless motor on the right, and as you can see, it absolutely murders it on the first race. They're kind of close when you start off. You do have to pedal the brushless just a little bit. You can kind of see you struggle with traction right away, but once you get up to top end, this brushless motor runs about 7 miles per hour faster, 7 or 8 miles per hour faster, so it just destroys it on the top end. We did quite a few races back to back to back. This was my only win as Matt had to struggle to get traction. So that's one win for the brush, but all the rest of them went to the brushless. There you can really see the top end of the brushless. Fairly even for the first 50 feet, but then it just takes over. This is the Lawn Legends RC track. If you guys like what you see, you can follow us on our Facebook page at Lawn Legends. This is corner 1. We have a banked corner. You kind of want to stay wide on the end of this, and it'll kind of shoot you into the next corner, into corner 2. Then we go into a cross area. You need to go around this little island, so we go around to the right. We got corner 3 and 4 here. You want to stay nice and tight to the apexes there. A little straightaway where you cross traffic, and we have a 180-degree corner right here. It sets us up for the tabletop. You jump up and back down, and then another corner to the right. Another 180-degree corner going left. As you can see, it's a little muddy today, but we were able to get all the snow out of the way. And then our final corner, hit that apex, and you are onto the home straight. And you trip the lights on the finish line.
So after quite a few laps and quite a few crashes, we concluded that the brushless motor is quite the upgrade for the Slash. We ended up averaging our fastest 5 times through each vehicle. We both drove each of them. And our fastest average time in the brushed motor was 18.96, and our fastest average in the brushless was 18.27. So 0.7 of a second faster per lap on average we were with the brushless. We came up with it's just a little bit easier to use. Even though it has more torque, the trigger seems a little more forgiving. It's easier to get the car out of corners. You can see on the tabletop mainly is one spot where the brushed could not make it across the entire thing, and the brushless just about every time you could clear the entire tabletop and it'd land smoothly on the other side. This is a pretty low grip track right now with all the mud. If it was a drier track and we had more traction, the gap of 0.7 of a second would be quite a bit bigger, I think, even a second or more, if the brushless Slash could get a little more traction. Make sure you guys ask any questions in the comments. This is an ongoing process on the track. It's going to get bigger and better, and we might even do a 4-wheel drive Slash race this winter. Make sure you like and subscribe to Krebsbach Racing for future updates.